Hello, and you're listening to the daily news and discoveries on the Cardio Seeds podcast. And with you is Dr. Svetlana Shimon, a lifestyle cardiologist and the founder and president of Cardio Seeds. And today we'll briefly touch bases on the issue of COVID-19 vaccines and potential complications in adolescent boys and young men receiving mRNA vaccines and potential small risk of myocarditis after vaccination. This question was raised most recently and investigated by cardiologists and American College of Cardiology. The American College of Cardiology issued a statement about actual safety of COVID-19 vaccines that generally outweighs the small risk of myocarditis. So what is the myocarditis itself? Myocarditis is an inflammation of the heart muscle. It usually happens for different reasons. Viruses themselves is the most common reason for myocarditis. Sometimes medication causes myocarditis, and in this case, there is a very small risk of myocarditis after vaccination with mRNA vaccines. And generally, it was detected to be mild and treatable. In most cases, resolved quickly and without interventions. This is what Dr. Eric Stecker, who was a chair of the American College of Cardiology Science and Quality Committee, told us. And he said that we have to be very clear on the fact that long COVID-19 and heart damage and deaths related to the disease itself are much higher in unvaccinated patients than those small risks of complications related to vaccine itself. So they cannot even be compared. So also, most recently, American College of Cardiology issued expert consensus decision pathways on cardiovascular sequelae of COVID-19 in adults, where it addresses myocarditis and other myocardial or heart muscle involvement. And actually it recommends vaccination to avoid those risks, especially with people who have predisposing cardiovascular conditions and may develop more severe infection and more complications with COVID itself. So if you have not gotten your most recent booster, COVID booster that covers this most recent Omicron variant, please go ahead and get the booster. Be up to date on the schedule of the vaccination. It may prevent severe infection and may save your life during this evolving pandemic. And thank you so much. With that, we will finish this episode. Thank you. Bye-bye.